If Outlook search never seems an email you wanted, it is not broken. You are just searching wrong. Once you learn these three little operations, you pull up any email in seconds instead of scrolling forever. So let's jump on in. So most people type a random word into search and then scroll through the 100 results. The trick is to stop searching with words and start searching with operators. Tiny commands that tell Outlook exactly what you want. Learn just three and you will cover almost every search you ever do. So, operator number one, first type from, then colon, and your person's name. And you instantly see all the emails received from that person. Now, the operator number two, type has attachment. Type has attachment. And you don't have to enter the spaces. Now, type yes and hit enter. And now you will only see those emails that actually have a file attached. You will see the attachment symbol here in all the emails. Now the operator number three, which is received colon, and type this week. Hit enter. And you will see I have only one email received this week. And you can also use the combination of these operators like from your name. Then you can give a space and also type has attachments. Yes. And that Outlook surface that one email with the file instantly. For example, I will show you. Say I'm hunting for an document I have received from the person which name is Deepak. So instead of scrolling, you simply type from colon Deepak space. Now type has attachment colon yes and hit enter. Now you will see the exact emails pop up in about 3 seconds. No scrolling, no guessing. So the pro tip, you really needs only three operators from, has attachments and receive. Learn those and you will cover the vast majority of search you generally required.